kan notification na kamenta kiba apply namta ka Msc Nursing course ako Neigrihms the counselling namta joki kalami notification for counselling to Msc Nursing course ka tarik kandai new August ada apsau ka por kandai step ajaka kandai College of Nursing Neigrihms Shillong. The following shortlisted candidates from serial number 1 to serial number 50 are called for counselling for admission to Msc Nursing course for the academic session 24-25 on 7 August 2024. Venue by College of Nursing Neigrihms Shillong based on inter-se merit list and based on the merit list of Msc Nursing entrance examination held on 24 July 2024. The candidate had to report at the venue 9:30 a.m. sharp at their own expense. Candidate who failed to report on or before 10:30 will not be entertained. So they have to report on or before 10:30. Seat distribution, teki seat kita laga jang-jang. Ka open seat All India kan dan sun seat, Neigrihms alumni dan Lai seat, Neigrihms staff kan dan R seat, total baro kada shipai seat. Te alam shipai seat nampak Msc Nursing teka ada saka specialty wise subject. Community health nursing R schools R seat, child health pediatric nursing R seat, medical surgical nursing subspecialty critical care nursing are seat, obstetric and gynecological nursing sound seat baru bilang full seat. Allocation of seat, admission to all attend seat in Msc Nursing course will be based solely on in merit as per the result. Kenpai binaga merit narai khotsan penguru tang itu giwan hakmat hi ken yo ya ka seat amdai baru bayo. Seat for specialty subject offer may increase or decrease. Okay. The seat shall be offered as per the rank of the inter-se merit list. Tanggi bawan kam syakmat kenyo amdere baro yo baro. Seat for Neigrihms staff will be allotted from Neigrihms staff only. Seat for Neigrihms alumni can allot binaka alumni only. Kemtahi. Calling to attend counselling on the notified date does not mean the allotment of seat will be made to the candidate. Tang ada lupa ba mela araban tikna ba kenyo eka seat marginuna seat. Selected candidate has to pay the requisite fee after the medical board of the institute has declared medically fit. Dalam declare medically fit, have siu ya ka fees baru namta ka admission. The candidate required to report at the venue. The candidate had to report along with all the relevant document in original as below. Have right document, atali passport size, birth certificate, BSc, post basic BSc, terter degree certificate, karakter, conduct certificate, registration certificate, update experience certificate, no objective certificate, one work experience certificate, certificate of disability, Laitkam, namtagi person with disability. Candidate are direct to visit the institute website for further information. Namtagi information to hamnya kaban visit the website. And kikateng jong ki candidate namtaga counselling kini ladap ail pahang ne tesapej baro 8 mil hangi.